Is anyone there? Oh! Hi, Granny! Wow! That looks great! What is it? What's going on? That is madness! Oh, I get it! How cool! It's a farm animals animalarium. We have to create the whole animal. Head, body, and tail. It's super fun. And of course, we're going to rebuild a piggy. Whoops! Looks like this is broken, Granny. It's happened again, Granny! And what a strange result! It's a piggy hen! A rare mix between pig, sheep, and hen. Only seen in this animal house. Let's find the body and legs that match that little head. Did you know that pigs are very sociable animals? They love to make friends. There's the piggy's body. Look at its pink skin. You have to know that piggies are actually very clean animals. In fact, they love to bathe in water, even if they don't have that reputation. Now it's time to find the tail. Lovely specimen of piggy and sheep. It could work as a character in a scary movie, don't you think? Although the piggy is going to be very hot with those wool-covered feet. Let's keep looking. I think someone missed a hen tail around here. Next. This candidate gives milk. See its udders? This panel represents the back of a cow. This isn't what we're looking for either, but cow print looks great on you, Mr. Piggy. This tail looks like a better fit. Shall we check? It's got pink fur and a curly tail. A big clue. Do you think it's the right one? Yay! There's our cute, smiling piggy. See how nice it looks? Do you want to take a picture? Hey! What happened here, Granny? The piggy has to be rebuilt. This is a heck-a-weave. Pig hen? Pig shrow? Cow piggeep? Hen shrow? Shcowen? Pigneep? Cow piggin? Hen shiggy? Pigcowen? I don't even know what I'm saying. Oh, Granny. What if we ask the children what's happening? Do you know what happened, kids? Is someone changing the panels? Spooky! I don't think Granny heard you. Let's say it louder. Spooky! What are you thinking about, Granny? Where are you going? Aha! She got you! You'll see! Run, Spooky, run! You know you can't mess with Granny! SUPERZOO! Hi, kids! Let's learn the colors by playing with police cars. The magic stars will discover the color of all our vehicles. So fun! Police car, What color do you think this police car will be? Let's find out. Yellow. Yellow, yellow, the police car is yellow, 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 a very lovely yellow. Say goodbye, the police car is leaving. What color will the next one be? Come on, police car, move on to the magic star to discover your color. Orange. Orange, orange, the police car is orange. Orange, orange, a very lovely orange. Say goodbye, the police car is leaving. What color will the next one be? Let me think. I think I know. Do you? Let's check it out. Red. Red, red, the police car is red. Red, red, a very lovely red. Say goodbye, the police car is leaving. What color will the next one be? Little star, show us the color of this police car. What will it be? Blue. Blue, blue, the police car is blue. Blue, blue, a very lovely blue. Say goodbye, the police car is leaving. What color will the next one be? There is only one police car left. What color will it be? Come on, kids, say it with me. Purple. Purple, purple, the police car is purple. Purple, purple, a very lovely purple. Say goodbye, the police car is leaving. But we will see them all very soon. Look, Catty, a red Easter egg. Delicious. Red. Catty, now you're red. So cute. It suits you. Wow! Another egg! Yellow! Haha, Catty! Now you're yellow! More eggs! Red and yellow, they become orange. And orange is also the name of this tasty fruit. Orange! Your color is back! Hi, kids! Is anyone there? Oh! Hi, Granny! Wow! That looks great! What is it? What's going on? That is madness! Oh, I get it! How cool! It is a jungle animalarium with many animals living in this ecosystem. And we have to build them. It's super fun! Shall we start? Let's build the leopard. Whoops! Looks like this is broken, Granny. And look at the strange outcome. It's a leopard, rare mix between leopard, frog, and toucan. Only seen in this animalarium. Let's find the body and legs that correspond to that little head. Most mammals, like this leopard, have their bodies covered with hair. So let's look for a very hairy body. Let's turn the panel. There it is. As you can see, the leopard's body has spots. They help them to camouflage themselves in the undergrowth to hunt better. Now it's time to find the tail. Beautiful elephant specimen, leopard and elephant. It could work as a character in a scary movie. Although I don't think the leopard can walk very well with those feet. Let's keep looking. I think someone lost their chameleon tail. Next, this candidate doesn't even have a tail or even a single hair. This isn't what we're looking for either, although you have to admit that it doesn't look bad at all. This tail seems to fit better. Shall we check it out? Does it have spots? Yes! And it has hair too. So, do you think it's the leopard's tail? Yay! Yes! There we have our fierce and beautiful leopard. Have you seen how well it looks? Do you want to take a picture? Hey, what happened here, Granny? The leopard has to be rebuilt again. This is an reptile. Frog partlian? Leophant. SUPERZOO'S. Elephant. Frog-racan. Leopard-cat. SUPERZOO'S. Galliford. I don't even know what I'm saying. Oh, Granny. What if we ask the children what's happening? Do you know what happened, children? Is someone changing the panels? Spooky! I don't think Granny heard you. Let's say it louder. Spooky! What are you thinking about, Granny? Where are you going? Aha! She got you! You'll see! Run, Spooky, run! You know you can't mess with Granny! Hi, kids! Do you want to help kids dress up as a superhero? Yes? Let's play Become a Superhero app. So fun! Let's start with Thor, the superhero from Asgard. We begin by choosing the top. Which one is it? I know! The black one. No, that's red. Let's find the dark one. Nice! That's right. So now let's choose the pants. Exactly! They fit perfectly with the top. Kid looks really powerful, but something's missing. That's it! The helmet and the hair. Let's check the ones we have. Remember, we're looking for blonde hair and a helmet with wings. Exactly! Wow, so cool! Now Kid is dressed up like Thor. Go for Asgard! Let's continue with the next one. It's Captain America's turn. So again, let's pick the right top. I don't think you know which one it is. Yes! that one with the stars and stripes. Now we have to find the pants that go with that shirt. The Captain America t-shirt simulates the flag of the United States. Yes! That one was difficult, right? Good job! It's time for the head. Let's see... We need a helmet with an A on it. No! I like this one, but it doesn't have an A. Look carefully. Exactly! That one! Oh my! He looks strong and cool. I'm sure this will be Kid's favorite. He's a true Avenger. Let's move to the last one. Spiderman. Did you know that his spider webs dissolve after an hour? Not bad at all. Let's choose its top. Now we do want to choose the red one. That's it. And the pants? Do you know which one they are? No. Remember, we've already chosen that one for Thor. We're looking for red and blue pants. Yes, there they are. And now the head. We're looking for a mask with spider webs drawn on it. Yes! Wow, I can't believe how cute Kid looks as Spider-Man. Well done. You finished the game successfully. Now you have to choose your favorite. Yay! Mine too! Bye! Hi, Kangu! What are you going to teach us today? Let's color some superheroes. How cool! What colors are we going to use? Red, blue, yellow, black, and purple. Now let's meet the superheroes. Spider-Man, Captain America, and the Hulk. The Hulk is my favorite superhero. Smash, Hulk! Time to paint. What color is Spider-Man's costume? That's right! Red! Now it's time to paint Captain America's suit. All right, Kangu! The suit is blue. Captain America is the most righteous superhero. Now let's paint the Hulk's body. And we all know what color it is, right? Of course! Green! What's the matter, Kangu? Can't you find the color green? Let's check the colors in your palette. Red, blue, yellow, black, and purple. That's right! There's no green. Oh, what can we do now? What are you thinking, Kangu? I see! You're going to mix colors to get green. If you mix blue with yellow, you get green. And now let's paint. This is definitely the color of the Hulk. We got it! It's super cool! See you at the next painting class! Goodbye!